Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send photos and videos on Zangi Messenger step by step. This feature allows you to quickly share media files with your contacts during chats. Let's get started. Zangi Messenger allows users to send messages, photos, videos, and files with very low data usage, making it useful even on slow internet connections. Here's how to send photos and videos. Step 1. Open Zangi Messenger. First, open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Step 2. Open a chat. Go to your contacts or chat list. Tap the conversation of the person you want to send the photo or video to. Step 3. Tap the attachment icon. Inside the chat window, look for the attachment icon or plus icon near the message box. Tap on it to open the sharing options. Step 4. Select photo or video. From the menu that appears, choose Gallery or Photo, Video. This will open your phone's media library. Step 5. Choose the file. Browse through your gallery and select the photo or video you want to send. You can select one or multiple files depending on the app's options. Step 6. Send the media. After selecting the file, tap the Send button. The photo or video will upload and appear in the chat. Step 7. Send photos directly from camera. If you want to take a new photo or video, tap the camera icon in the chat. Capture the photo or video and then tap Send. Your contact will receive it instantly. Important tip: make sure Zangi has permission to access your phone's storage and camera, otherwise you may not be able to send media files. And that's it. That's how you send photos and videos on Zangi Messenger step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical messaging app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.